Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to demonstrate you are getting this error ADHESIVE.DLL create component error code 011496993 while launching 5M application. Just to hit the close that this error message. After that, I will provide best prevent solution. That solution you will try to in this problem easily resolve. So don't waste of time. We can go to try to get this problem is resolved. So you can go to that Windows search bar. Here you can go to type task manager. You can click to open. We will do it first step of rem running apps. Remove the running apps background. Just you can go to in this search bar, type 5M. Just right click to remove from the task manager. After done, then close it. Then you can go to it the next solution. The next solution I'm recommended Windows security can contribute this issue. So you can go to disable Windows security, max or disable the Windows security. So you can go to open the Windows security, then click on the here you can see click on the virus at that protection tab. Then you can go to click on the manage settings. Here if this rail type protection is turn it on, temporarily turn it off, ensure turn it off. If it is done, then you can go to click on the production history. The next recommended step this, just click on it, and here you can go to remove from that like adhesive.dll file. It will be there. Just to remove from the production history. It is most recommended step. So you can go to remove from the production history. After finish it, then close it. Then you can go to do it that FIMO application double have to open. Then your problem will be solved. I think this methods helpful for you, and don't forget subscribe. Thanks for watching.